What piece of advice was most impactful to you, and what have you learned the most since you've been here?
The best advice that I've had to me is really two things, and I think they kind of go hand in hand. Is number one, you can't get too high and you can't get too low, and the second being there's no replacement for hard work, right? This business, you're going to have the highest of highs and you're going to have the lowest of lows, but if you can figure out some way to stay in the middle, and the easiest way I've found to stay in the middle is just continue to work hard. Good things are eventually going to happen. Certainly bad things are going to happen along the way, but hopefully the good outweigh the bad if you just keep grinding. But I think the biggest thing I've learned, as I thought about this for a minute, is that it's so much more fun and so much easier, candidly, to become successful when you do it with other people. Everything we do here is about the team over any individual, and candidly, when I first came in, that was foreign to me because I've always really just kind of depended on myself to find success. And once I was able to kind of let that guard down and just trust that everybody around me wanted to see my success, I think we all just elevated really quickly.